National Executive Member ke BJP Balongru MLA ke Pentorum Kra Constituency uba ALHEC haka pratrik unailar arhajar arpuar ulethu babungut ki MLA bat ki MLA barim gejela shen kin sapne so no iladia bat ke BJP banekon ki election MLA arhajar arpulai habai kran bikinong pathai kubor uba ALHEC uloong bakin don bungut ki MLA bat ki MLA barim ki ban pene so no iladia bat ke BJP banekon ki election MLA haka senam banwan bat uloong bak ke BJP ketemu ban yang sapongut ki kertong hak election manuan. Ula kubur ru bakal don kejing ekran badu MLA ke Mau Senram uba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang badu MLA ke Shillong West uba Mohendro Rapsang na gebenta ban penyeso no bad ke BJP bad kejing ekran kadang ya cekmat. Ulaong ba kini ki MLA ki lano ahi banwan ke BJP. Ndrai namar ba kejing ekran ba kejing penbet kampat poi ke bakut. Kumta ompat la ban kam menta bakin penyeso no bad ke BJP. Uba ALHEC uloong bakinang don skiwai ki MLA bakumjuk ki MLA barim narilum khasi bat garo ke blekran bat chen kini kin sepene so no ilade bat ke BJP.
Gladon ke jingekran ya kata tinggaru ngalakran hi daladi. Bagladon hi ke jingekran ya bagiwan men peneso si ke BJP tangba mentah kampat poi si ke final stage. Kadang dai tang haga stage jong ke jingekran. Di ali ke jingekran bat ngati ngai i kumba gelano hi manwan si BJP. Tang ba kampat dega final dengan padot mengklaim. Dangdon skwik MLA ru, dangdon skwik ex MLA ru ke balai keren barnga, hakini gisi fesa UI ba makiru kin se join syaga BJP. Nyari sofongun nginjob ro sofongun dangi her kendian laban her arfongun dangi her kendian ru sofongun sedeng nginjob baik. See, the thing is like this. All political parties, when we are working together, we are together. When we go to the field for election, we'll have our own manifesto. We have our own agenda and we'll fight each other. That is simple logic. There is nothing to hide here.
Hakabedai bagajing syakem jong MDC ke BJP u Bernard Marak nakaliang uba ALHEC uloong badai ban ailat bajakaan bahkan le ke badan kam hakabedai bat kejingja harimpu bagan ke badan hatura hak distrik West Garo Hills. Hendrai ula penrem jor pat iki pulet ketura ke bela pendek iki nongket kam ke BJP dan ke bakot hajar yaki bat ong bakani kalong ke ba om lak ban pediang satya. Uba ALHEC uloong bah kapor bu udan ha London uli ileng ba ke social media. Hendrai namar bakani ke kam mentah kerang don ha pedang kejing tian bishar kumtaan bet hakaan bahkan le ke badan kam halor kene kejingja. Bat kanu karai ke bami hadin habot an hapan pediang bet. Halor kejing keno ke BJP Meghalaya unit balus pengat u Bernard Marak nakadaw jong kakam san perthai. Uba ALHEC uloong ba umi bagandon kanu kejing penihar keput haga kam san perthai. Bat la kem yaki bat kejing toket kerang ya cekmat bat yamanta om patla barong halor kene kejingja. Uba ALHEC uloong bagi BJP kendawa ban pak toket kene kejingja haga kenhun toket ke balat lut. Hendrai ke bagi BJP ke persyajur kade kejing syak pendik kinongkit kam gaseng hagi pulet jong katanat tura.
See, I don't see any political vendetta. Okay, this is because they have been arrested, that the investigation is on. Now we cannot say anything whether it is a political vendetta or anything against anyone or against the BJP. It is too early to ascertain this at present. If we think that anybody threat, can we go to become a vindictive to anyone? That is not a question to be vindictive. That become a question of to be threat. Why threat? Tell me. As a law enforcement agency is there. They are under the investigation. The law enforcement agency, they will take their own course of actions. So wait for the law enforcement and enforcement agency to take their own course of actions. We definitely will demand for the independent proof, or from BJP will demand, will request. But only one thing which we do not like is the harassment of our party workers in Tura police station. That is very inhuman, which is not acceptable by any common citizen also. Why we have to harass the innocent people? Why have to harass them? Why have to call them 1 o'clock, keep them waiting of 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? There's no meeting. After coming to the police station, they will tell, no, you come tomorrow. So that kind of harassment will not be accepted. So I condemn This harassment to our party workers, our career cutters, should not be harassed.